Soft glam. I don't think I've ever experienced that emotion. I've never heard of her, never tasted that. Is that a wine? I've never had it.
Never felt that, never heard of that, never tasted that.
Fuck it, check me out. I hit your phone like, what's up when you try and get this sex?
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. What's up? Let's chat. So all I see, all up and down the TL, all on makeup Twitter, all on YouTube, on the gram, hashtag soft glam. Now me, I'm a lover of fake soft glam. Like, I'm a lover of fake soft glam, meaning you can look at me and you know I have makeup on, but it's neutral. Oh. Not only is my soft glam like always like detectable that I have makeup on, but I don't do very matte makeup. I do very skin-like or like dewy usually. I usually look like I have makeup on and I'm not matte. But like, I wanna hop on a trend for once. Like, am I allowed? Is this a safe space? Today I'm going to be trying actual soft glam makeup because like I went down a rabbit hole today. I was like, what the heck? What the HE double hockey sticks is soft glam? Let's get into it. I'm taking the NYX micro brow pencil. This brow pencil slaps. And I'm actually doing my brows on camera because I'm gonna be trying something new with my eyebrows since we're doing like matte soft glam. Matte, me? Never. Crazy. Who'd have thought? Not me.
Hey, look at us. Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought? Not me.
I just like never really do super matte makeup, but here I am. I am gonna be like powdering my eyebrows after I do them because like usually my eyebrows be on oil slick. They be greasy like the rest of my face. I have combination skin, but like when I put makeup on, lately I tend to get a little more oily. Sometimes I get more dry. It's just like lately my skin is feeling oily. So I'm going to be doing this trick I saw with the brows, which is like putting powder right over them, like basically setting your eyebrows directly. And I was like, why have I never seen this? Like, what? How long have I been doing my makeup? I've like never even seen that before. All right, eyeshadow time. Obsessed with this palette. I can't stop using it. Sue me. Actually, don't sue me. I cannot afford the legal fees. But tax season is around the corner. Give me about a month. All right, so since we're doing soft glam, we want to do neutrals. We want to do browns. I never do that. I never do neutral eyeshadow, but that's okay. I'm gonna have to make it do what it do today. Let's jump right in. I'm gonna go into this brown shade up here. If you think I'm gonna go find the little slip that tells you the shade names, you're bugging. Doing like super neutral eyeshadow takes me back to the days where I was first learning how to do makeup. Like, oh my God, so nostalgic for me, it's crazy. It takes me back to being in middle school and babysitting my cousins for $20 and then going to Target around the corner from my house and buying elf makeup. I would buy like little neutral elf quads and teach myself how to do eyeshadow. And the reason that natural eyeshadow reminds me of that, like my early days in makeup specifically, is because once I learned how to do eyeshadow, I was all about like colorful and like artistic looks. Do I have any ladies in the house that do soft glam like on a daily basis? Like real soft glam on a daily basis? Like super matte, neutral eyeshadow. Y'all be doing that? That's crazy. A part of the reason I don't do matte makeup a lot, like super matte, super soft glam, is because it almost takes, or to me it does, take more effort to look like you're not wearing makeup and to look super airbrushed and neutral than it does to just look like you're wearing makeup. I burnt myself right here with the straightening iron trying to be cute. Super neutral, playing it cool. We're doing this here on the lid. I've said it on this channel before, but like this feels like the perfect video to say it in. I kind of feel like if you're gonna wear neutral eyeshadow, don't wear eyeshadow. I know, I get it. I know if you have like hyperpigmentation or discoloration or like you have veiny eyelids or whatever, like I get why people would wear it. But just for me personally, I'm not sitting down and doing neutral eyeshadow. please, I got places to be. And if you won't be able to tell that I have eyeshadow on, why would I wear it? Why would I wear it? Maybe we'll do a not too shimmery inner corner highlight, but we'll see. We'll see. And I didn't forget about powdering the brows. I just want to have my foundation on first so that I can conceal and then do it. Speaking of foundation, let's move on. Sometimes I apply my foundation with a brush. Sometimes I do it with a sponge. Today we're definitely going to do it with a sponge because the sponge is going to make it look more skin-like. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation. If you have seen any of my other makeup videos, you've probably seen this foundation. We stan, we love her. Finally, without further ado, I'm gonna clean my brows so that we can mat our brows. Cause see, right now, like my brows are a little bit shiny, and so we're gonna get rid of that. Before I even blend it out, I can just look at that and I know my brows about to slap. I'm gonna let that concealer dry a little, and I'm going to do concealer on my face. But I'm not gonna use as much concealer as I usually do because we're doing soft glam, right? We want men to be able to look at us and think, is she wearing makeup or no? And I say men in specific because like females don't do their makeup for men, like ew, no. But because like other girls know, you know what I mean? Other women look at you and they know. Even if your makeup is good, even if your makeup is smashed, we look at each other and we know. But like, men don't know. They think they know everything, but they don't know. I'm gonna let the concealer sit and dry a little bit because it blends better when it's dry. A little bit more coverage. I learned that from Miss Jackie. What is going on outside my house? All right, the time has come. Me finally doing something new with my makeup. Groundbreaking. So happy this is happening on camera. I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Powder and basically like the way that you would focus powder like under your eyes or something, I'm just gonna do that around my brows. This has been like the groundbreaking thing that I was trying. That's it. It's that simple. That's it, I guess. And it worked because there goes the shine in my eyebrows, you know? Now I'm just gonna do the rest of my face. This is so weird. I don't ever powder. This sucks. Wow, being matte is crazy. I have not seen myself like with a super matted face like this. The lights make me look a little shiny too, kinda. So like if I back up, you can probably tell more. I have not seen myself like matte like this in like maybe a year, maybe two or 3 years actually, like for real. Crazy. I forget how long I've been doing makeup because like my first thought was in like 3 years, but I'm like, have I been good at makeup for that long? But like I have. Okay, I'm really excited now. I'm really excited. I'm digging this. I'm taking my e.l.f. blush and bronzer duo in St. Lucia. This is the oldest e.l.f. product in the world. And I'm obsessed with it. I go on drugstore hunts looking for this bad boy and I couldn't find it for forever. And then about a month ago, I found it. This is not a joke. I'm not being dramatic. Way in the back of an e.l.f. display at a CVS that doesn't ever update their makeup. And I was like, we're back in business, baby. This bronzer does not look deep enough in the pan, but it is deep enough for me. And it's also like red enough for me because I have very like red skin. So I need this. I'm not cream contouring because we want to be matte, right? We want to be matte. That's what the girlies are doing. Next is blush. And y'all, this is going to hurt because I can't wear as much blush as I want to. If you're not new here, you know that I have a blush obsession. If you are new here, then you don't know that I have a blush obsession. Now, either way, you know. I have a blush obsession. It's the best type of face makeup. Please don't argue me. Argue with your mama. We're doing just a tiny little, just barely there. Oh, it looks so good though. Oh my God. Okay, it's fine. Barely there. Act like you got some sense type of blush. You know what I mean? Now that we're starting to wrap this thing up, I'm gonna take this Maybelline Brow Drama Brow Gel and I'm just going to feather my brows a little bit. Just a little tiny bit. I can't find my favorite lip liner, so I'm trying not to flip my house upside down. It should be downright illegal for me to look the way that I look right now. Matte and beautiful and matte. And actually, guys, I feel like we met the desired goal. Like, if a guy looked at me, he wouldn't know if I had makeup on or not. A woman would. You like don't even know. You don't even. Maybe a middle-aged white woman wouldn't know either. And like, that's the same level of clueless when it comes to like black women. The older ones know, the younger ones know, but middle-aged white women look at black women and they're like, does she have makeup on? Is that her hair? Is that her natural body? I don't know. I can't tell. Thank you guys so much for watching and helping me figure out what the hell soft glam is. It was the time of my life. I probably will be doing my makeup like this for the next 14 days, give or take. And by give or take, I mean give. I'm obsessed. I get the hype, and I also am kind of feeling the hype behind natural eyeshadow, but we'll see how long that lasts. Thanks for watching. Leave me a like, subscribe, comment, all that. Follow me on Instagram. My goal for 2020 is to get to 100K, so help me make it happen. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I know you wanna, girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl. Ride the pipe like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my